Is Eva Gray Cantoma. I'm actually from GREYTEST CAD Design Concept. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number for any inquiry, for more information about what we do. I teach all these softwares. You can see they are actually available on our platform on Telegram. Okay, you can go there, register with us for as low as 3,000 naira, for as low as 3,000 naira. Begin to learn. Okay, take advantage of this lockdown. Okay, all these softwares are actually available on that platform. Our videos are available on that platform, materials are available on that platform, and then we'll as well teach you online, guide you through the process. Okay, give you all the videos, give you all the materials until you attain mastery. All you have to do is just show interest on as many softwares among these that you want to learn. Okay, and then we'll guide you through the process. Okay, you can visit my Facebook page, like this page. Okay, show me some love. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how you can come up with your Culvert design in Protastructure. Amazing, right? What you can actually do with Protastructure. I'm going to show you a sample of a design I've done using AutoCAD, okay, of a culvert. Okay, you can see this is actually using AutoCAD. Now you can imagine the time it took to finish this design, this detailing. Sorry, this is not a design, this detailed drawing. Okay, after this whole detailing, after the whole design, you come and then you do your detailing. Okay, you can imagine the time consuming. Now I'm going to be showing you on Protastructure in few minutes how you can achieve all of this just in few minutes. Okay, this is a detailing I did on AutoCAD. Okay, Protastructure will give you this in few minutes. Okay, if you already like what you're seeing, why not give it a thumbs up? Okay, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, is actually free. Okay, you see the bell icon down below. Yeah, you see a red button down below. Click on that red button and you have subscribed. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to give deeper insight, okay, to as many that want to have knowledge of design. Okay, now I'm going to create a new drawing. Okay, you can see new project. I'll type, let's see, new culvert. Alright. Okay. You can just choose any of these. They are templates. Okay. Use any code of practice that is actually acceptable in your country. I'm going to be using BS 8110. Now I want you to take note of something. You can see here, this is the slope. Our slope is actually in this direction, going in this direction. Okay, now this is the river flow. Okay, it's flowing this way. That means this is our inlet, this is actually our outlet. Okay, this is our wing wall. Okay, this is our wing wall. Okay, now you can see a little you can see like a wall in between these, like a wall here. This is a wall showing us that we have it's a culvert with two channel. Okay, one and then two. Okay, so I'm just going to do something a bit similar to what you are actually seeing here. Okay, now I'm going to start by creating a new drawing. I'll click that, and then the next thing I will do is to go to Culvert. click on Culvert, allow it to load. Okay, now you can see this is the longitudinal section of this Culvert. Okay, what is actually the length of this? Okay, I'll make this 6,700 for example. My inlet, okay, I can leave it at 90. I can leave this as 90 as well. Okay, the water flow like this in this direction. Okay, leave this at 90 inlet angle. Okay, the elevation, inlet elevation. Okay, your inlet elevation must actually be higher than your outlet elevation, okay, for the water to actually flow in gravity, with gravity. Okay, I'm going to leave this as 90 as well. My outlet, I'm going to leave it at 200. You can see there is a difference in the elevation in my inlet, and there is difference in the elevation in my outlet. You can see that my inlet is actually higher than my outlet. Now, what if I make this 300, for example? You're going to see what it shows. You can see it's telling us that it's very interactive. Now it's giving us a red message. You see, value must be lower than the inner elevation. Okay, so it has to be lower, and you can't make it higher. Okay, so it guides you. Okay, now let's go to the cross section. Now you can see this is one channel. As you can see, I'm going to make this double. You can make it as many as you want. I'm going to leave it at 2. Now take a look at this. This is TL, this is TT, this is TS, this is TB, this is T R. Now I'm going to explain that your TL is your thickness at this left thickness. This is your top thickness. This is your separation thickness. Okay, this is your right thickness. This is your bottom thickness. Now is the thickness of all these reinforced concretes that are here. Okay, now our separation channel, okay, we can make that I'm going to make that 300. My top, you notice some changes in the diagram. I'm going to leave that at 300. I'm going to leave all of this as 300. Not going to change that. My lean concrete, I'm going to make it 75. Okay, I'm going to chamfer this. As you can see, slope chamfers. Okay, you can see as I'm clicking, so I'm going to take this off. I'm going to leave it this way. Okay, this extension, I can actually take it out if I don't want. You see, now this is how it looks like. Okay, so whichever way you prefer your design to actually look like. Okay, the width of your extension can be reduced, the height of your extension can be increased or reduced. You can actually change this. You can see the slope. You can make it as many that you want. You can play with whatever you want to do. Okay, considering one thing you must have at the back of your mind while designing, your design must be safe, and your design must actually be economical. Okay, so it is safety and economical, right? The head wall. Now as you can see here, I can increase this height. All you need, what we are doing here is specifying this dimension for this. Okay, I can increase this height, I can increase this height. I can take off this if I don't want it to be. You can see it's off one side, or left side, okay, both side. I can decide to give this a particular slope. Okay, if I want it to be a slope, you can see I can give it a slope if I want. This top thickness, the width here, okay, I can increase it, but I'm going to leave it at that. I'm just going to increase this height to 450. I'm going to make this 450. Okay, let me take off this slope. I don't want this slope. Leave it as rectangle. Okay, a whole lot of things you can see that you can actually do with this. Okay, go to curtain wall. Okay, this one is down. What is the width, the height, you can actually specify just like we did in the head wall. Okay, go to your wing wall. You can see this is for one, this is the wall one, this is A, it is labeled in that way. Okay, we can change, we can specify the height, the thickness, and then the length. Okay, here I'm going to make this 3000 for example. I'm going to leave every other thing that is here. I'm going to leave it. You can change these. Okay, you can change all of these. This type, you can make it just rectangle if you don't want it to slope. Okay, okay, I'm going to leave it as slope. Okay, okay, you can uncheck all of this. You can see that means it's only going to design one wing wall for you. Now if you don't want a wing wall, you can actually remove them. Okay, I'm going to replace them back. Okay, if you don't want a wing wall, you can actually take it off. Okay, then go to our end slab. Now let's come, okay, let's come back here. Now this the extension you see here, you can actually add more to the extension to be on both sides, or you can remove the extension if you don't want. And then the height here, you can actually specify all of that. Okay, the width, the height can be specified here. Okay, you already like what you're seeing, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Click on the bell icon to get a notification whenever I post videos. Okay, make sure you register with us. It's very cheap considering the number of softwares we are going to be showing you, as many that you want to learn. Okay, your money covers them all. If you want to learn all in 1 month, you can learn all in 1 month. Okay, you want to learn 2, you want to learn 3 softwares. Okay, we're going to guide you through the process until you attain mastery, just for a token of 3,000. Take advantage of this lockdown. Okay, here the end slab. Now this and this is what we are designing. Here you can just specify the depth. Okay, for your inlet, remember what we mean by inlet. This is our inlet, this is actually our outlet. Now you can increase the width to this inlet. Okay, that's the offset. Okay, you can offset. Now you can offset, okay, if you want to. It goes back in, or you take it off and it comes back to its original width. Okay, the depth, okay, the depth for your inlet, and this is the depth for your outlet. Okay, you can actually specify all of that. Here I'm going to make mine 250, okay, and then I'm going to make this 250 as well. Okay, here you take note that this is actually in millimeter. Okay, Culvert label, you can actually name these. Okay, okay, that is all. The next thing I'm going to show you is the detailed drawing. Once you click on this, it will give you your detailed drawing. Whoa, amazing, right? So you can see a whole lot of things you can actually do using your Protastructure. Okay, I can click on this and start using 4 line. You can see here I can specify my the shape of my rebar. Okay, I can, let's say I click on this. Okay, I can specify the width, I can specify the height of this. Okay, I can do all of that here. You can see quantity, multiplier, concrete cover. Okay, okay, now you can see a whole lot of things you can actually do using your Protastructure. On my next video I'm going to be showing you how you can design your retaining wall using your Protastructure. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to design your retaining wall using your Protastructure. Okay, make sure you stay blessed, make sure you stay safe. Okay, you can actually place your reinforcement on this if you want to. Okay, there are so many things you can actually do using your Prota detailing. The Prota detailing is more like the AutoCAD environment, if you're actually familiar with your AutoCAD. Okay, all the shortcut tools in AutoCAD are actually what you actually use here as well. You can see the polar tracking, the auto, the object snap. Okay, all of these are actually in AutoCAD. So you can see there's a whole lot of relationship where once you want to draft, you can draft and do your detailing here in Protastructure. Okay, once you're familiar with your AutoCAD, Protastructure is just a walkover for you. Detailing, sorry, is actually a walkover for you. Okay, you love what you are seeing, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Okay, click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, most times on a daily. so as to encourage as many that are trying to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, make sure that you stay safe and make sure that you stay blessed.